Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today we will be cooking Afang soup, Nigerian Afang soup. It's one of my favorite meals, and if you really want to see how I got this delicious looking pot of soup, please keep watching. So guys, for the Afang soup, we will need our dry fish, which is very important. Here I have dried catfish fish fillet, and here I have my shaki. Here I have a body, my roundabout, which is a cow skin. Here I have goat meat. Now you can use beef if you want, but I prefer using goat meat for this recipe. And my crayfish, Maggi cubes, salt, and my pepper atarado. Now you see I don't have any onions here. That's because when you're cooking a traditional soup as this, it's good not to include thyme, curry, and all of that. And onions is traditionally not used in preparing this meal, but if you can add if you want. Okay, so guys, the vegetables that we're going to use for this recipe, here I have my Okazi leaf. Now this leaf is really hard, and that's why we need either water leaf or spinach to mix it in it to make it softer. Now if you're in Africa, it's easier for you to get a water leaf, but if you don't get it and you're living here, what you can do is you get your spinach. Now here I have my frozen spinach, frozen grounded spinach, and I'm going to add the normal leafy spinach as well. So I'm combining this, sorry about that, I'm combining these two together to get a beautiful consistency. And normally you should blend your afang because you want it softer, but I'm not going to blend it in this recipe that I'm using today because already this is really soft, so I'm not going to blend my afang. Yeah, guys, this is the red oil, the red palm oil that we'll be using for this meal. Now I got this from the African shop and it's really red. It's really red. It's good, believe me, it's good. So guys, here I already have my meat properly washed. As I told you, I always wash my meat with salt, leave it to cook for about 4 minutes, throw out the water, and then start the cooking proper. Now in here I'm going to add some salt, some atarado. Now you can blend yours if you want, but this recipe I don't like blending anything. My Maggi cubes, and I'll just leave this to cook because my shaki, my abodi, and my goat meat all have the same cooking time. And why on this burner here I have my pomo cooking because they don't have the same cooking time. Try to get this correct so you don't want some of the meat soft and some hard. Now I'm just going to let this to cook for 40 minutes, after which I'm going to start preparing the afang. Now I'm not going to add in any water at this stage because, as I told you, I want to leave the meat to soak up all the spices. I mean the pepper, the Maggi, and the salt. Okay, so guys, my water is reduced. Okay, and I'm just going to, now my meat is ready, I'm just going to add some crayfish, my dry fish. Okay, I told you that this food needs a lot of dry fish. I'm going to add my pomo and add more pepper because I told you I love my food really hot. Now you can blend this, but I don't want anything blended in this meal. I want to keep it very traditional. And this is my spinach. the frozen ground spinach, and I'm just going to put the other spinach, this one. Now don't, it's when it's cooked, it's going to reduce in size, it will shrink, I mean the spinach. So now that I've put in my spinach, I'm just going to, and guys, you can see the water, the amount of water I have in the pot. So I'm just going to add in my afang. Add in your afang and mix together. Gently mix, because you know my pot is looking a little bit small, but not a problem, just mix gently. So guys, once I've mixed to a certain stage where I see that everything's getting properly mixed, I'm going to add in my red oil. Now the amount of, or the quantity of red oil you put in this is driven by the amount of food you're cooking, the quantity of food you're cooking. Now I'm cooking a lot of food, so I'm going to put in a lot of red oil. You can just reduce the quantity if you're cooking less. Now here I'm going to add my Maggi and add my salt and leave it to cook for about 3 minutes, where I'm going to check again, taste for Maggi, salt, and then yes. Guys, this is about 8 minutes of cooking. You can see that the afang has completely married the spinach. Now this is what you want. Even though I didn't blend my afang, you can still see the consistency that I got. It's very smooth, and this is exactly what you want to achieve in your afang. So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to continuously, you know, at least motivate me to give you guys all these beautiful recipes. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you try this and enjoy the recipe yourself. Oh, it's yummy. Bye bye.